Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melissa.
And my name is Ariel.
This is my husband, Ariel. And today we are eating 7-Eleven. Are you excited? Yeah. I haven't had 7-Eleven food in like 5 years probably. Yeah. It's been a long time. We don't really go to 7-Eleven very often. So we're gonna share this Slurpee. It's cherry flavor.
And blueberry in the bottom.
Oh, okay, I didn't know that. Blueberry at the bottom. And then I got a Big Bite hot dog. What did you get?
I also got a Big Bite hot dog with cheese and jalapenos.
And I put just ketchup, relish, and jalapenos on mine. I don't know if you guys can see. I don't want it to spill. And then we're gonna share some nachos. And look, we have chili, cheese, and jalapenos. Oh, I got it. You gonna put the chips in here, Baba?
Yeah.
Okay. And then I also got taquitos. This one is chicken chipotle. And then a cheese and steak. Do you want one of my taquitos?
No thanks.
I don't know if I can eat all that. Well, I probably could. And then I have some chocolate Hostess donuts.
Donuts.
Mini donuts. You ready?
Yep.
Let's eat. I'm gonna take a bite of the hot dog first.
All right, cheers.
Cheers. Mmm.
Mm-hmm.
These are good. That's a big jalapeno. The hot dogs are good, huh?
The cheese is getting hard already.
Yeah, well, we had to wait a while to eat.
Mmm. I missed this.
We used to eat this all the time.
Yeah. I think when you were pregnant, right?
Yeah, when I was pregnant. I always wanted it.
And it's cheap too.
How much is it?
Oh, I don't remember. Less than $5 maybe. I also got ice cream, but I forgot to bring it.
Oh, you got ice cream. Okay, we'll get your ice cream when we eat the dessert.
You have to have dessert.
Yeah, I got the donuts for dessert because I've been craving donuts. I love donuts. Donuts are like my weakness. I'm gonna give this one a try. This one is the steak and cheese. Oh, the cheese inside here is like cream cheese. I think it's white. And it's a little bit sour like cream cheese. It's good.
Look at that. Oh yeah. Sorry.
You should have put chili on your hot dog, then it would have been a chili cheese dog. Do you like that?
Yeah. Remember last time, no, a long time ago, when 7-Eleven had their chips in like this
Oh yeah.
container, and then you just put the...
You would put everything on top. Well, some people still do that. You just dump the chips in the container, but I like to eat it this way so they don't get soggy.
Yeah, it's a good idea.
Mm-hmm. And then, because the chips are sealed, they're always fresh. They don't get stale. I think we're gonna run out of chili and cheese. You didn't put that much.
Yeah, because it's kind of confusing.
Can you get us napkin, AJ? You forgot napkins again. So tomorrow's Easter. Well, by the time you guys are watching this, it's probably Monday already. But what did you guys do for Easter?
Thank you. What the?
Thank you.
Can I have some Slurpee?
Yeah.
Thank you.
We don't really have any plans for Easter. Want to try? I'm gonna try the other one. This one's the chicken chipotle.
Good?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, spicy.
I feel like it needs something to dip.
Yeah, you can dip it with this.
Like ranch or something.
Oh, yeah.
When you were small, did you guys celebrate Easter a lot? Like every year?
Mm-hmm.
Easter egg hunts and stuff?
But I think when you get older, you just
Yeah.
let the kids celebrate.
I think I like the steak one better. The chicken one doesn't have that much flavor, but it's still good.
Wow, look at that bite.
Spicy. I want to try some 7-Elevens in other countries.
Yeah. I heard you can get rice too.
Yeah, probably in the Asian ones.
Wow, spicy. I like.
Yeah, their jalapenos are really hot. Can they see you?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh, sorry, I moved it the wrong way. I meant to move it this way. I was gonna get it like a regular donut, like not these ones, just like a regular donut, but they didn't look very fresh. I don't know how long they were in that cabinet.
Ooh, hot. Spicy.
Yeah, it's really hot.
Look at the seed. There's a lot of seeds in here.
Yeah, the steak one, it's really good. Tried some with cheese. It's probably better with cheese. Ooh, look at that. Mmm. Yep. It's way better with cheese. These hot dogs are so big. They're so thick.
That's why it's called the Big Bite.
They have so many options now at 7-Eleven. They even have pizza, chicken strips.
And chicken wings.
Chicken wings.
Yeah.
They didn't have any of those things ready though, huh?
Yeah.
You have to order it.
And I think the 7-Eleven that we went to is not as busy.
Yeah.
They don't really sell a lot of food, so there's probably not a lot of, they don't put a lot out.
Uh-oh. Bread.
Wow, we tore it up.
I know. Do you want to try this? You should try it.
Okay.
Here you go. Good, huh? You like it?
Yeah. Want some more jalapenos?
No.
I think I got way too many, way too much.
I went to Target today, but I have to go back because I found out that online they have their sunblocks on sale. If you spend $30, you can get a $10 gift card. So I ended up ordering them online. Well, I came home And then I ordered them online, but I ordered it for store pickup, so I have to go back and pick up my order. But now I have a $10 Target gift card, so that's awesome. Right?
Yeah.
You're done with that?
Yeah. It's so hot. There's more jalapenos in there if you
Ice
want.
cream time?
Yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome.
AJ, you want more taquito?
No, thank you.
You want to try it with cheese?
Okay.
Just finish that. Because I'm full. You guys like my Minnie Mouse shirt? It's so cute. Okay, time for dessert. I'm full, but there's always room for dessert.
So I got a Toll House cookie. Cookie sandwich.
You got a Toll House.
House stuff.
Now I can't even say it. Toll House ice cream sandwich. And I got donuts. You want a donut?
No, thank you. I always have to say everything backwards. This is the best.
You like that? It's your favorite. Mmm.
Oh.
These are good. I already know these are good because I've had them before. Excuse me.
I just went to the dentist. Here I am. Here I am. Here I am. How do you do?
How about you or something? I don't know. I should have gotten a Twinkie. Can you guys believe I've never had a Twinkie before?
What?
I know. They had a strawberry one. Limited edition, it said. Strawberry flavor.
Strawberry flavor?
Like cream inside. Scoot closer this way because you're like off the camera. Scoot your butt. There you go.
I'm full.
You're full? You're gonna save it for later?
Yeah. It's too spicy. Oh, yeah.
This?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm full too. Are you done?
Yes, I'm done.
Okay guys, so that is the end of today's mukbang. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Also make sure you guys hit the little bell so you can be notified of when I upload my next video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye everyone.